Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah. I mainly do makeup tutorials, but today I wanted to do something a little different. Today I got my first Stitch Fix box, so I thought I would unbox it with everyone. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, basically it's a styling service. You can get it as often or as little as you want. And you pay $20 for a styling fee, but that money goes towards items in the box that you like and you want to purchase. And this isn't sponsored or anything, but everyone who signs up gets an affiliate link. And say you want to try it, if you sign up using my affiliate link, you'll get $25 in credit to use towards your first box. And then I would get $25 in credit as well. So if you're interested in trying it out and you want to get some credit, I'll leave my link in the description box. So make sure to check that out. So in the box you get a little note from your stylist, and it also gives you little outfit ideas. So I'm going to read this note from my stylist. It says, "Hey Sarah, my name is Carly and I'm so excited to be the stylist that gets to welcome you to the Stitch Fix family with your first fix. This is a lot of fun and I hope that this first time gets you even more excited for the next one. Your feedback helps me make that next fix even better, so be sure to let me know how you feel about each item and the fix as a whole at checkout so I can get your individual style down." For this one, I saw on your Fix inspiration board that you are a big fan of jumpsuits, and this one from Kaylee is a great business casual option. Try adding a denim jacket or even a pop of color blazer, since I know you aren't a huge fan of the V-neck style. I also saw a great layered casual look there, so try these canned jeans with your favorite graphic tee layered under this cotton Emporium cardigan with your leopard shoes. XO Carly. Okay, so this sounds exciting. So on Stitch Fix, you leave like a little note to your stylist before they put your box together. So I asked for some business casual stuff for my new job, and just pieces I can wear to work and in my everyday life. And then there's also like a little Pinterest board, and so like you can put outfits from your Pinterest that you like. There's a pair of shoes I wear to work every day, so I put that up there. So a bunch of stuff. So now that we've read that, let's look at what's in the box. So the first thing in my box was this little box, and I'm assuming this is jewelry from videos I've seen. It's really cute packaging with the Stitch Fix logo and everything. I love this greeny blue color. Okay. Oh, it's a little necklace. Oh gosh. Oh, this is kind of fun. I'm not like a huge necklace person, but it's cute, but I'm not sure I would wear it. So it's like a gold chain and then gold and silver like little pendants hanging off. It's kind of cute. I'm still not sure about it. Okay, and then this fell out of my bundle. So this is the Kaylee Lexi knit jumpsuit in black. Okay, so super cute. I thought it looked more navy, but it definitely is black. It's a nice material. It has a floral print on it, and it is a V-neck, which I'm not crazy about, and the straps are kind of thin, but it's cute. We'll see. I think I'm gonna try everything on after I show it to you on camera. Oh, They also send you a little sheet with the prices. So that jumpsuit is $58. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this cardigan. It's a Cotton Emporium Valerie texture 2-pocket cardigan in light gray, and this is in a size small. It's a nice material. I like the color. Definitely something I would wear every day to work. It's nice and lightweight too. Definitely think I'm gonna like this, so I can't wait to try that on. And that retails for $44. Okay, so the next thing is a pair of pants. These are Just USA Haley Exposed Button High Rise Skinny Jean in black. And so it's a nice black pair of jeans. It's got a nice button fly instead of like a zipper or something. That's really cute. I don't own a lot of black jeans, and these are nice because I could wear them to work too. They feel really nice. There's no distressing on them or anything. They do have a little bit of a scissor hem, but that's cute. I know that's really in style right now, so I'm excited to try these on. And those are $58. Okay, and then the last thing in here is another pair of jeans. These are the CanCon Emmeline Blue Hem Distressed Skinny Jeans in blue. So it's a nice lighter wash. They feel really nice again. It's got a button and then a zipper fly like most jeans. There's distressing on one of the knees, which is cute. If I do wear distressed jeans, I like a little bit more typically, but I'll see what they look like on. And these are $58 again. Okay, so I switched over to filming on my phone. Sorry if my room is a little bit messy. This is one of my own shirts. It's the shirt I'm wearing today. It's from H&M. But the first thing I've tried on is the CanCon jeans. They look really nice. I do wish there was more distressing instead of just the one hole, but they fit really nice. I like where they fall on me. I'm just not sure. Let me know what you guys think. So I still have the blue jeans on. I just threw the sweater on. I really love this. It's super cute. I can wear it if I'm going out with like my friends or my family, shopping, whatever. I can wear it to work. It's nice and lightweight, so it would be good for like summer months. I really like it. I think this might be something I keep. So I just switched over to trying on the Just USA jeans, the black ones, and I love them. They fit really nice. I like where they hit me. I love this detail with all the buttons, even though it might take a little bit getting used to, but they're perfect. They're perfect for every day. For work, I can throw in a bunch of different tops with it. So these are definitely a keeper. Okay, so the last thing we have is the jumpsuit. I don't hate it as much as I did when I pulled it out of the box. It is super cute. Could see this being super cute for summer, like for barbecues and like get-togethers and stuff. Although who knows what'll happen considering what's going on in the world right now. It is a little bit lower cut than I would like it to be. It has pockets, which is nice, but also the pants are really long. I think the only way to fix that would be to wear heels with it, but I think it's just a little too big. This is a size medium, but I don't know if a small would be too small. So I really like it. It's super cute, but I'm not crazy about it. Okay, everybody, so that was my first Stitch Fix unboxing. Overall, I feel like my stylist did a pretty good job. I do wish there'd been like a few more shirts or tops, but there were a few things I liked. I definitely think I want to try it again, maybe like in the summer or like mid-spring or something like that. I do want to try it out again. Like I said earlier, if anyone wants to try Stitch Fix out for themselves, I will leave my link in the description bar so you can get $25 in credit and I can get $25 in credit. If you like this kind of video, if you want to see more lifestyle unboxing stuff from me, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you all next time.